Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to hard reset this Lenovo Tab 7. You want to hold the volume down and the power button. So you want to keep those two buttons hold, and when you see the Lenovo logo you want to release the button. So it should take us into the mode, and you want to keep the volume down button hold. You will see this no command screen here. Normally how we bypass this, we can hold the volume up and the power button together and click at the same time. So we are going to navigate down, wipe data factory reset, navigate down, delete all users, hit the power button to select, and as you can see it's completed. And now we reboot the device, and that's how we hard reset this Lenovo tablet, and it should take about a minute or two to complete the setup in terms of the welcome screen and get the device up to the interface to be used. So all we have to do is to just wait it out. Ensure that you have sufficient battery power before you do this. So you can actually see that it's loading there now, and all you have to do is to just, when you normally you get a new device, you will set it up. That's what we are going to do. So here we go. If it happens that you have a Gmail account in your phone, it may ask you to enter your Wi-Fi password, and it may ask you to enter your Gmail account or to enter the passcode that you previously used with the device. So here we go, and we are almost there. So we just need to accept, finish, and here we are finished. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section. My name is Lens. Do like, share, and subscribe.